Okay, we're in a 2019 Mercedes, and we're taking apart the C-pillar slash the headliner to get the creaks and squeaks out of it. And I just get the molding pulled off, and now we're going to start declipping this thing to get it out of here. It's a little bit of paint that comes out, and all of these friction points, all these plastic spots where it starts to squeak. So we're lubricating all of these areas. Back in here, where these clips mount, where they come out, along in here to get rid of the squeaks and creaks. So just lubricating the clips right now.